Homeowners searching for casement windows. Crestview FL want a practical upgrade that improves comfort, curb appeal, and everyday ventilation in Crestview, Florida. From new casement windows Crestview homes need for remodeling projects to full casement window replacement in Crestview FL, local property owners often choose styles that open easily, seal tightly, and complement both traditional and modern architecture. Casement windows in Crestview, Florida are popular because they suit residential neighborhoods near downtown Crestview, North Crestview, South Crestview, East Crestview, and West Crestview, while also performing well in changing Florida weather. Energy performance is a major reason many families choose energy-efficient casement windows Crestview for their homes. With insulated casement windows Crestview, double pane casement windows Crestview, and double glass casement windows Crestview, Florida, homeowners can reduce drafts, improve indoor temperature control, and support lower monthly utility costs. Energy-saving casement windows, Crestview FL, and high-performance casement windows. Crestview are especially valuable in warm, humid conditions across Okaloosa County, where reliable seals and advanced glass packages make a noticeable difference year-round. Storm protection matters in this area, which is why hurricane-resistant casement windows Crestview remain a top priority for many buyers. Hurricane impact casement windows, Crestview Florida, and storm-ready casement windows. Crestview FL are designed for strength, durability, and peace of mind during severe weather events affecting Crestview, Florida, and nearby communities. Whether a property sits near Crestview Airport Florida or in established residential areas, premium casement windows in Crestview, Florida with reinforced frames, impact-rated glass, and secure hardware can help improve both safety and long-term value. Customization gives homeowners more control over design, which makes custom casement windows Crestview, Florida a smart choice for remodeling and new construction alike. Crestview, Florida custom casement windows can be built for unique room sizes, updated facades, and personalized interior finishes that match the style of the home. Many property owners looking for modern casement windows. Crestview also wants sleek sightlines, larger glass areas, and improved functionality, while others prioritize residential casement windows Crestview that preserve a more classic Florida home appearance. Installation quality directly affects performance, so choosing experienced casement window contractors Crestview is essential. Crestview FL casement window installers and local casement window installers. Crestview, Florida can handle everything from accurate measuring to proper sealing, flashing, and finishing. Whether you need North Crestview casement window installation, a casement window contractor near downtown Crestview, or full vinyl casement window services Crestview FL on the west side of town, skilled professionals help ensure your windows open smoothly, close securely, and perform as intended in local conditions. Replacement services are often the best solution when older units no longer insulate properly or show visible damage. Casement window replacement, Crestview, South Crestview. Casement window replacement and casement window upgrades. Crestview are common requests from homeowners dealing with worn frames, broken seals, outdated glass, or hardware failures. Crestview FL home casement window upgrades can improve home efficiency and aesthetics at the same time, especially when replacing dated units with best casement windows, Crestview options that offer stronger materials, better glass technology, and more attractive finishes. Replacements can restore function and appearance without requiring a full replacement in every situation. Casement window replacement Crestview, residential casement window replacement Crestview, Florida, and casement window replacement in Crestview neighborhoods often address damaged cranks, hinges, locks, weather stripping, and frame issues. If the glass itself is compromised, casement window glass replacement Crestview may be the right service to fix cracks, fogging, or failed insulated panes while preserving the surrounding structure. For homeowners throughout Crestview, Florida, timely replacement helps extend window life and maintain security and efficiency. Vinyl remains one of the most popular material choices because vinyl casement windows Crestview offer low maintenance, dependable insulation, and lasting value. Affordable casement windows, Crestview and Crestview FL. Affordable casement window solutions often include vinyl products that resist moisture, reduce upkeep, and fit a variety of home styles across Okaloosa County. Whether the goal is residential comfort, improved appearance, or a budget-conscious upgrade, many homeowners find that vinyl models deliver the ideal balance of durability, affordability, and performance for everyday living in Crestview. Professional guidance helps homeowners compare options more effectively before making a final decision. A casement window consultation Crestview can help identify the right frame material, glass package, impact rating, and design style for each room and budget. Casement window estimates Crestview FL also give homeowners a clearer picture of costs related to installation, replacement, and upgrades. Working with casement window specialists, Crestview and casement window experts in Crestview FL helps simplify the process from product selection through final installation. Remodeling projects often benefit from windows that improve both function and visual appeal, making casement window remodeling, Crestview, and casement window renovation Crestview FL valuable investments. An East Crestview Florida casement window company or West Crestview casement window services provider may recommend larger openings, updated trim details, or improved ventilation layouts to better serve kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, and living areas. In many Crestview Florida homes, well-planned casement window services Crestview Florida create brighter interiors, better airflow, and a more polished exterior finish that supports long-term resale value. Choosing the right local provider can make all the difference when comparing products, workmanship, and service. A trusted casement window company, Crestview FL, will typically offer installation, replacement, and consultation services tailored to the needs of homeowners throughout Crestview, Florida. From Okaloosa County casement windows Crestview projects to new builds and renovations near Crestview Airport Florida, dependable contractors provide solutions for insulated, impact-rated, custom, and affordable windows. When homeowners want best casement windows, Crestview options backed by expert installation and responsive service, local professionals remain the preferred resource for lasting results.